Hi everybody, it's Jen, and this is a project that I made last year, I believe, the Graphic 45 Charmed collection, and I have this going up for auction for the Great Pyrenees Pause and Rescue. All the links are in the description box below, and 100% of your auction dollar or auction amount goes to the Great Pyrenees Pause and Rescue minus the shipping costs. So this is one of your Graphic 45 matchbox, mini matchbox, and it is a tight fit. I didn't add any paper, that's just the way that it fits. And the front is decorated with some bling and some Prima, I think, flowers in this orange, cream, and black, which I really love the combination. The box is also decorated with papers, and the back of the box has one of the fussy cut images from the, I think, the front page. And then inside the box there is the background paper is from the collection. I have one of the borders on the bottom, and then just a regular check on the top. And this is the Graphic 45 matchbox, and this is the Graphic 45 matchbox album. I left the side plain. You can put a little tag in there, and there is a sticker, and there's a sticker on the back. And I just followed the Graphic 45 matting. I did not add any flaps or anything to it, so it's pretty plain, but it has the original tags in it. Not add any tags to the pockets themselves because I didn't want it to get so fat that it wouldn't fit into the box and be able to come in and out. So you have lots of room to do that. And then there's pockets that are empty also. So I think it comes with 3 tags, and that's what comes with this auction. So I'm putting it up today. It's Saturday, and it will be good through Monday at 10 p.m. So really Tuesday morning, because Monday at 10 p.m. I'm in bed, but yeah, that's the auction. So yeah, we're going to start this one off at $20 like always, and be sure you head on over and subscribe to the ASC auction group, because there's always inexpensive mini albums for auction for charity. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.